In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can convert currency on PayPal. So for example, if you have dollars and you want to convert dollars to euro, you can do that inside PayPal. So you just want to open your PayPal account, and if you are using phone, you can do the same steps. So click on PayPal balance, and second thing you need to do, guys, is to add your currency. So I have added like Canadian dollars and use euro. So you want to click on add currency, and you want to add, for example, British pound. For example, click add currency, done. Add as many currencies as you want. So for example, if you want to convert to multiple currencies, you can do that. But if you want to convert to a specific currency, like, you just want to click on add currency. And after that, guys, for example, if you have dollars and you want to convert these dollars to euros, you can do that by clicking on these three little dots, and you will see something called convert. Because I don't have any balance right now, it doesn't show me that option to convert. Okay, so if you click on currency calculator, then you can like see the estimation. Like, if you convert $1, you will receive, if you convert €1, you will receive $1. If you convert, for example, €50, you will receive $53. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can convert the currency on PayPal. So see you guys next video. Please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.